Hi everyone, and welcome back to Tech Finesse. Today I'm actually talking about Kärcher OS5.320 S oscillating sprinkler. I've always bought the cheaper ones before, but they don't do well with lower pressure. Not that I have particularly low pressure, but they seem to always jam up and don't work very well. When I purchased this sprinkler, it was $18.99 at the time. It's gone up now, but going by keepers' reviews on price, it seems to go down quite often. So I would keep an eye out for that if you wanted to buy this sprinkler. But yes, this sprinkler is pretty good. I'm actually pretty satisfied with it. It's definitely got a wide range, and it works well, like I was saying earlier, with lower pressures. The movement is very quick. The other ones are very slow, and so I suspect the gearing in there is just better suited for all sort of water pressure levels. It says it does up to 320 meters squared. Now, I can't really test that. I don't know if that would actually be true or not. That's quite a lot of distance to cover, but it's possible if you've got higher pressure. It is actually made of aluminium as well. It's not totally plastic, so it does feel good. It's a lot larger than I thought it was going to be. So it definitely has quality. I was a little bit skeptical at first spending the extra on a sprinkler, but it definitely seems to do a better job for sure. You have two little yellow prongs on the back that can be used to limit the distance. So it doesn't have to go all the way over to the left, it doesn't have to go all the way over to the right. You could, have it further on one side or just in the center. That is very useful. So I would definitely recommend getting one with those movements, that's for sure. It's always hard to get it to fit in your garden. Also comes with a little tool on the end just to clear out the little holes there, because hard water can build up and block those. It has some prongs so you can jam it in the grass so it won't move. I think it's heavy enough, so it's not really going to move anyway, so I don't bother with those prongs, but they are there. It also has a grey cover. Now that grey cover covers the first 50% of holes, so while you're adjusting it, you don't get soaked. Pretty useful. I do find when it oscillates all the way to either left or the right, that cover does block some of the holes, which means I don't really get a full idea of how far the spray is going to go on either side. So it works, but not really as well as it probably should do. I've got some pictures here and some videos of the tool in use. Give that a watch. It is definitely a higher quality product. It works really well. It feels quality, but I guess longevity will tell. But yeah, this is definitely worth buying if you're in the market for a new sprinkler during this hotter season. Just keep an eye out for the lower price. Okay, thank you very much.